Hi, first grade friends. We are going to get ready for math. We're going to start with a really fun way to count called Start With and Get To. So we're going to learn this activity and we're going to be doing it all year long. It's called Start With and Get To, and it's one way of counting and practicing our counting. So what are some things that you know about counting? Think for a minute. What's something you know about counting? Maybe you know how to count out loud. Is that what you were thinking? Or maybe that you know that numbers go in order or in sequence. You might know how to count objects, like you touch and count objects. 1, 2, 3. And you can keep going. You're going to be doing all kinds of counting this year. And this little routine with the Start With and Get To is going to help us with the sequence of numbers. Okay, so first we're going to pick a number to start with. And I've already have this number right here on the screen. It's the number 1. Everyone say 1. So we're going to start with the number 1. And next we're going to pick a number to get to, and then we're going to count. So today, here's the number 1. Oh, there's the bell. It's the end of the school day. Okay, now we're going to get to, we're going to get to the number 25. So what I want you to do with me is I want you to count out loud from 1 to 25. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and stop. We're at the number 25. Wow. To find out about this number, we found out that we got to the number 25. Now, if we didn't know to stop at the number 25, how could we figure out what the number 25 is? Could you find the number 25 on a number line? I have a number line right here. I don't know if you'll be able to see this. It starts at the number 0 and actually goes all the way to the number 25. There's a really long number line behind me. It goes to 100. We could look on that number line if you were in the classroom. You could look at a calendar and you could find the numbers on the calendar from 1 to 25. Maybe were you thinking of a hundreds chart? I think there's a hundreds chart behind me too, over there. Over there. That number chart goes all the way to 120 back there. So we're going to use our numbers throughout this whole year. We're going to count and we are going to practice counting in sequence, and that means in order. So if I were looking at changing this number, I'm going to still start with number 1. But now, I'm going to put that number 25 over there. What if I wanted to count, to the number 30? Could we count to the number 30? Would that be more than 25 or less than 25? We could look on a number line to find out. We could keep counting from 25. Let's start with number 1 and count to 30. Can you do it? Let's see if we can do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, there's 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. got to the number 30. Now, the number 30 is more than 25. We kept going past the number 25. Wow. Let's do it one more time. We're going to start with the number 1. And we are going to get to the number 10. So if we start with the number 1 and get to the number 10, do you think we'll have more numbers or less numbers than when we counted to 30? Did you say less? I hope you did, because the number 10 is less than 30, so we will have less numbers to count. Let's do it. I know that I have 10 fingers, so why don't you get your counting sticks, your counting fingers, and let's count to the number 10. Start with 2 fists right here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It didn't take us long to count to the number 10. I bet you've been counting to the number 10 since you were 3 or 4 years old. I hope so. We're going to count a lot of numbers this year, and I want us to practice counting in order. If you would like to play this game, you can go to the Savvis Realize icon, and you can click on your profile and find this activity that I have assigned to you. I hope that you have fun with this game. Bye, friends.